Here's how to change the images in your template. Right-click, then select Detach Image to separate it from the frame. After that, press Delete. Next, head over to Uploads and add your own image in the frame. Simply drag your photos over and drop them into the frames. Remember that frames let you drop in images, videos, or patterns. It auto-crop, resize, and animate based on settings. No need to redo everything when you change images. Now, let's update the other images on the website. Just drag and drop again the image you want to place in the frame. You can also double-click the image to resize and adjust it within the frame for a perfect fit. Just do the same steps with the other frames. Let's take a preview and see how the new images look on your site. Want to learn more about editing your Canva website template? Subscribe to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching and supporting my joyful art.